Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, Sangeetha's joining me today.
Again.
Hello.
Hi.
And she's volunteering to help me again because of my arm. And it's actually LAKSHMI's birthday soon. So she's going to help me make her a birthday cake, which is a Dulce de Leche cheesecake, because LAKSHMI likes those kind of flavours. What do you think? And of course, this one is, of course, as you know, dairy free, and it is lower in sugar than a regular cake of this type. As you know, Dulce de Leche is usually made with condensed milk and a lot of dairy, a lot of sugar, but we're going to cut out all of that. And we also, of course, we use only natural products to try and get a dessert that's not only indulgent and tasty, but it's good for you as well. Start with the base. So you can use any kind of nuts that you like, almond, walnut, cashew, whatever. So we just need 1 cup of any kind of nut. So you can mix the nuts. So maybe use almond and walnut. Now put that into the blender or food processor, whatever you have. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, and it enhances your mood. So if LAKSHMI isn't in a good mood on her birthday, this will help. So now we have another mood enhancer, maca powder. It's got a nice caramel-like flavour.
Peanut butter and jam.
Yeah, it is like that, yeah.
How
So a tablespoon.
Why so many mood enhancers?
Well, you want someone to be happy on their birthday, or if you're using it for any special occasion, you want to make the people feel good. And it will nourish your body at the same time as enhance your mood. Now we want just a little sugar, so we're going to use coconut sugar.
Yes.
Which is less refined than normal white sugar and also has much more flavour and a nicer smell, doesn't
Much
it?
better.
So 1 tablespoon, just a little pinch of salt, which just brings out the flavour. And when you're making something with caramel, salt goes really well.
Caramel.
Yeah, salt really goes well with caramel. So I just need a little. So we're going to blend this till it's fine and then add some coconut oil. So now we have a crumbly mixture. So we need to add some coconut oil just to bind it and hold it together.
Okay.
So about 1 tablespoon. Just need to blend that again. So if the mixture still looks a little bit dry, like that, just add a little more oil, just so it sticks together a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, so I blended the cheesecake base.
Oh!
Oh, hi.
Wow!
I'm
Where did
Marshall.
you come from?
I was blending it actually.
Oh, were you?
I was in a few of her videos. You might remember me.
Yeah.
I played the puppet,
Yeah, you did.
Licorice.
Didn't you?
So yeah, I just I blended it as you said.
Wow.
Yes. So
Cool.
what should we do with this?
Well, we need to put it into our cake tin
Awesome.
and then we press it down. Got another helper here.
Yes. So
Unexpectedly.
we
I
are.
don't know where he came from.
We're all working hard for LAKSHMI's birthday cake.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need all the help we can get.
Yeah, we definitely need all the help we can get.
I heard there was she might get a bit angry if it didn't taste yummy enough.
Yeah, she will, definitely.
Alright, so we got to make this good. So it's very consistent.
Yeah.
It's very
You've done a good job.
it's very patted down. It's very flat.
Yeah, flat.
Flat is the word.
Yeah, and firm.
Yes.
So that should be good. So we're just going to put it in the fridge
Okay.
so it chills while we make the filling. Alright, so now we're going to make the filling. So we have some cacao butter. So I'm going to melt 1/3 of a cup. So I'm just going to melt it on a very low heat so it doesn't burn. Yeah, 1/2 cup of lemon juice in the blender.
Yes.
Now we need 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. We need 1/4 cup of nut butter.
My friend Dazza actually really likes nut butter.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, I think he was on the show one
Yeah,
time.
he was. He made some Aussie pies.
He did, and he told me it was really good.
Oh.
And his reaction was, yeah!
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've soaked 3 cups of cashews
Yes.
in boiling water. They've been soaking for a while. Drain the water. So we're going to put those in as well. Some melted cacao butter.
Yes.
So we're going to put that in as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And that actually helps to set the cheesecake.
It smells a bit like
yeah,
chocolate.
It is like white chocolate. So now we need to blend this. The top part is blended, but the bottom part hasn't. So we have to stir it and blend it again. So while Marshall is taking care of this, Sangeetha needs to chop some dark chocolate. It's quite smooth looking. So maybe tip it into the bowl because then we have to mix the chocolate in. Okay, we've got some chocolate. We're going to mix that in now.
It is. It's
I didn't know the mixture was so hot. Oh no, it's not really supposed to melt that much.
So
Oh well, it's turning into
gonna be a
more of a chocolate one. So, if you're wondering where the Dulce de Leche is coming in, I've actually made some already and I have a recipe on YouTube for you to follow. And I've made a double quantity of that. And we're going to swirl some of that mixture into our cheesecake now. So there we have it, our rich caramel sauce.
Oh.
So what we need to do is swirl it into our mixture. So when you put it in, you can just swirl it through like this, see?
I see. Yes.
Yeah, maybe you need a few little holes because we want it to go right down.
Oh.
Yeah, you'll need quite a lot of this. Okay, so now that needs to go in the fridge to set. Or if you want it to set more quickly, just put it in the freezer, but don't forget that it's in there. For our decoration and finishing the cake, we're going to whip some coconut cream. So these tins have been in the fridge overnight.
Oh, okay.
So the creamy part will be on the top and the water will be on the bottom.
Yes.
So we only want the creamy
part.
part. Now we're just going to whip that. So that's whipped. We're going to just put a bit aside in this in a bowl. So we've got a bit of plain cream. Yeah. Now we're going to put some of the Dulce de Leche into the coconut cream, whip that in. So we've got some roasted nuts here. So Marshall's just crushing them so we can use them on the cake. That makes a Dulce de Leche flavoured coconut cream.
That's very nice, very fancy.
Yeah, plain cream here, we could mix with that as well. Our cheesecake is set, well, partially set at least. So we can probably decorate it.
I've got a crying baby here.
Oh, so we have a new helper as well.
Yes, Lakshmi's favourite fairy creature. Say hello.
So Judo's going to help us with...
Yeah, she's going to help us decorate Lakshmi's cake. So I'm going to put a bit of the Dulce de Leche coconut cream into the piping bag. Just try to put it on one side. And then we can try and put the white one on the other side so we could get a bit of a colour swirl. We're going to spread it around the edge and press some of these crushed nuts around it. Pipe the cream on.
Oh.
Would anyone like to have a go? You need to press a little and then, yeah, release as you come up. Yeah, that's better. So now we have done that. I got some chocolate shards I just made with dark chocolate, and there's some with vegan white chocolate.
Whoa.
And some has got a caramel chocolate mixed into it. So you can find recipes for vegan white and dark chocolate on my YouTube. And you just basically spread it on a baking sheet, stick it in the freezer till it's firm, and then just break it up. So we can use these to decorate the rest of the cake. So we have our Dulce de Leche cheesecake.
Delicious.
Do you think Lakshmi's going to like this?
I definitely do. I think Lakshmi has acquired a more mature taste now. So this Dulce, amongst other things, dark chocolate, even daffodils I heard, is her new taste.
Oh,
yes.
Really?
So she'll definitely like this cake.
Well, thank you both for helping me to make this beautiful French-looking ghetto. Really pleased because, as you know, it's a bit hard for me to do much. So I'm very grateful for your help.
That's okay.
And I'm sure Lakshmi will love it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.